Right, guys, channel M here. Okay, I just wanted to make a quick video about the MacBook Pro. So here we have the MacBook Air. As you can see, I'll just zoom in into it. Before you even touch the MacBook Air, you should know what model number you're dealing with. So the model number is usually written on the first line. If you look over here, it says model A1369. I'm not too sure if that's too clear or not, but yeah. So that's the model number. Opening this MacBook is pretty straightforward. So we have 5 9mm pentalobe screws and 9mm 5 pentalobe screws and 2.6mm 5 pentalobe screws. As you can see, I've just opened it and kept it over here. So after you've removed that, you'll be presented fairly straightforward with the logic board. So let me run you through the different parts because this MacBook is not basically turning on. So if in case if a MacBook is not turning on, it could be water damage or it could be a loose connector or whatever, but in this case it was a water damage, as you can still see over here. And so opening the battery, you need the T5 Torx screwdriver to open it. So there are basically 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 screws, and then the whole basically battery section just comes out. And then you have the logic board here, which is presented on top with the SSD. So if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade your SSD from here. It's quite simple. Just open that screw and take that out and pop in the new one. In terms of memory, this computer's memory can't be upgraded because the memory, as you can see, it's soldered on to the logic board. It's got 2 processors over here with a heatsink going on top and a fan to the right. Now on the extreme right we have the I/O board, which is connected to different parts of the computer, and we have the bridging cable as well over here. As you can see, you just need a spudger to basically remove it. So that's it just simply goes into that. And so in terms of the motherboard or the logic board, it's quite simple and straightforward to open it up. It's got a few screws. These are the screws for the logic board, and you just need to open up those screws first, remove all the connectors, and then probably you can just take it out. The top cover is connected by 3 screws on either side, which are T8 Torx screws, as you can see over here, and that connector is for the display. So yeah, Apple's designed Mac products with simplicity, but obviously they are quite technical. And I wouldn't recommend you to fiddle around with it. Like, this computer is not turning on. We have an issue with the SSD, but I can't zoom in, but there are a few capacitors over here which are burnt out because of water damage, and obviously it won't turn on, and this person's lost his data because obviously all the data is stored on these flash memories on the drive. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much the MacBook Air, which is supposed to be the late 2010 model. So when it's A1369, it is the late 2010 model. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any issues opening up the computer, or if you have any other questions, do drop it in the comment section below, and hopefully I'll be able to reply to them. Thank you for watching.